Hi everyone, and welcome to episode 9 of my options trading series. This is a different part of my channel. I'm not giving Canadian finance advice here. This is just watching me trade for anyone interested in options trading. I'm not stock trading. I'm not day trading. Let's call it swing trading using stock options. So if this video is not for you, I have other videos recommending teaching you how to invest for a Canadian and also teaching you about tax if you're interested. Getting right into the crux of this video, I created a $25,000 options challenge. I created a playlist. If you see on the right, I think I have like 8 or 9 videos. This one's a little bit of a deviation, but it's still related. You can watch all the videos to see my progress, but I'll tell you the rules I set up first. I'm only selling options. I'm not buying, because you can make more money selling, in my opinion. Only US market, because there isn't enough volume in the Canadian market. I'm trying to do, I think I failed on this one. I'm trying to do different strategies for each trade when I'm failing. I'm doing 45 day to expiration when I'm selling. I'm trying to take profit at 75 days or 14 days to expiration. I failed this because I've been gone for a month, and I'm trying to make at least 1.5% per month. This is a safe amount. So if you want, try to go back to the previous videos just to catch up on what I've been doing. I was losing money in my first 2, and then I started making, I guess, in the last 5 or 6. I'm using a paper trading account. And just a breakdown of the last 6 months, I've made 30%. It started off rough in February, March, but I ended up making more. I made 30%. My portfolio value was 35, made 10,000, up to 46 now. But again, this is a simulated trading account. It's not real. If you're new to trading, I would set up with Interactive Brokers. You could use the link I've provided, and you can set up to $1 million for paper trading just to see how you would do before jumping in. Let's look at the current options that are expiring in a few days. Right now it's Thanksgiving. It's a Monday. The US is open, so I'm able to trade. I sold a Tesla cash secured put. I sold it at the 185 strike, and now Tesla is at 219. So that's 100% profit. I think I'm up, what is it saying? $2,000. I sold an AMD cash secured put for at the 115 strike, and now AMD is, where's AMD? 166. And then also SPY went up to 584. SPY keeps going up. Like if you look at the last few weeks or even since the beginning of the year, it's up 30%. One sec. Let's go SPY stock. Year to date, 23%. And I'm currently at 30%. So I'm doing a little better than the S&P 500. I sold a bull spread because I think it'll continue going up. Don't bet against the market. All of these are bullish. If the market does tank, if the market does crash, I will be in trouble. But these are cash secured. So as long as they don't go to 0, I'll be fine. What I'm going to do is close these all out and reopen them. I'm going to do the same thing again, but obviously with another 45 days and different strikes. And I might go a little safer, but we'll see. So what I like about Interactive Brokers, it has a close function. But obviously, since you sold one, a negative, you have to buy to close. But you can also just press the close button. I found it doesn't work for spreads for me, and I don't really know why, but it works here. Close. Let's just go to the market. Order has been filled, which is great. And then we can close this one as well. Hopefully this one will fill right away. Nice. I've always had trouble filling these ones when I go close. Check it. Close all positions. This won't work. 100% here. Close positions. You're about to close all? Yes. Insufficient. Okay, yeah. Did it work? No idea. Yeah, so weird. It's still open. I don't get it. If I click close, let's go market. Submit. Cannot find position. This is confusing. Did I sell it? Did it close? Order and trades. Trades. I think it did. Portfolio. Why does it still show up here? Okay. Anyway, that's confusing. Maybe something to tell Interactive Brokers about. But I do want to reopen the same thing. So you could do a few things. You could search it up here, or you can go into trades and then order ticket. You could check out the option chain. Let's go SPY for the S&P 500. And then you want to search for the 45 days. I already had it queued up because I was looking at this previously. What I usually do is the 15 delta. We'll call it 85% chance of success. And we're going to aim for, let's try to aim for 10%. So I do 5 strike wide. So this is a risk defined. That means it's not unlimited risk. Cash secured put, if it goes to 0, that is unlimited risk. So what we're going to do, 15 delta right here. So we're going to sell this, meaning we need it to be at least, I guess in 45 days, we need to be 545 and above. And then we'll buy this for protection. So right now my risk is $500 for each contract I sell. So 545 minus 540 times 100. And then right now it looks like I can make 40 cents or $40 per contract. So I'm making, I did the calculations here. I'm making $40, 500 at risk. So 8% for 45 days. Can we go riskier? No. I'm not going to show you guys the risk I take personally, but let's click order and then you can choose how many you want. We're going to do 10, so $5,000 is at risk here. Always remember to click sell first. Order is pending. It should be filled. Let's just go done. And then now I'm going to do the same thing for Tesla. So we just used $5,000 in buying power, and I want to do, let's see if we could do, what is it, 46? We want to go 25 delta for this one. So more chance to get assigned. So we're selling a cash secured put, meaning if it goes below, let's say $200, we'll be forced to buy 100 shares, meaning 20,000 US dollars. But we will be making, why is this so high? We're making a lot of money on this. Let me go a little safer. So this seems like a good amount of money, $730. But maybe, I know we want to turn around and start selling cash covered calls on it. We could run the wheel on this. Let me go a little safer just to save some buying power because I want to do the same thing for AMD and I might not have enough money. So this is using $19,000 versus this one using $20,000. If we're looking at the delta, what this means is 82% chance of success. This one is 74% chance of success. We'll do this for sell. Let's go order. So this will be hard to get filled. If I do limit price, because I'm 15 minutes delayed because it's simulated trading, oh, there's 83% chance of success. Order. Oh, did I already click it? Maybe, let me just see my order and trades. Oh, I didn't submit it. Market. Sell order. There we go. Now we will do AMD. Options chain. Sorry, there'll be an awkward edit there as I figured some things out. I think I did the Tesla one twice. We're going to do something similar for AMD. So for Tesla, we use 19,000. For this one, if we do 150, so we're using 34,000. Oh, we're using almost all our money on these 3 trades. If we go around the 24 delta for $445, what's our return on this? If we make $445, it's 15,000 at risk. Divided by 15,000, around 3%. We could do this. I feel more comfortable with this one if we do get assigned. They give you a little chart, P&L chart. 79% chance of success. Let's fill this one. Again, these are all bullish, meaning I'm praying or hoping the market goes up, but that's what it has been doing. Like, momentum is a real thing. You can't really fight it or go against it. You just kind of have to play the cards. I thought SPY was too high when it was 520, and I tried doing bear plays, and that's why I was losing money in February and March. So one weird thing, I don't know why this hasn't been filled. But let's hope it does. but that's around 1,200 if these are 100% successful, and it's 1,200 on 46,000. It should be another 2.6% for a month, which is higher than my 1.5%. Let me know if you have any. Let me know if you have any questions. I know I'm doing this. I'm assuming you know the basics of option selling. I'm not going too deep into it. I'm just showing you my plays. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions. It's been a while. I'm back now. Thanks for watching and tune into the next one.